Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your contacts and manage groups on iPhone. In iOS, the Contacts app lets you create multiple lists in which to organize your contacts. First, open the Contacts app on your phone. You can also access contacts using the Contacts button in the phone app. Second, tap Lists in the top left corner of the contact interface. If you're on iPad, it's the sidebar button. Step 3, tap Add List in the top right corner. Then, select an account if required. iCloud is the default. Fourth, give your list a name, then tap it. Fifth, tap Add Contacts and select the contacts you wish to add and then tap Done. You can now contact all the people in the list via email or messages. To email them, you can tap the mail icon in the top right corner of the list. To group message everyone, tap List, then long press the list in question and select Message All from the pop-over menu. But note that you can edit lists or delete them by swiping leftwards across a list in the main list screen to reveal edit and trash buttons. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.